Alright. I had one look in there and I knew I needed help. It's not one chick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many did you get last night?
2.
2, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7, and there's more hatched. Lots more. There's one right there. Popping out right now. So here we go. Come on, guys. Stop rolling your brothers and sisters around. They don't like that when they're trying to get out of their eggshells. Wow. That's a lot of chickens. Come on, guys. It's okay. It's okay, little guys. Cheep, 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 cheep. There you go. Oh, gosh. Look at this one. What's going on here? Just trying. Give you a little help there, buddy. Alright. Hey. What was it? Brahma? Brahma? Not a Brahma, not a Brahma. 2 Brahmas. Alright. Cool. Australorp, it looks like. Australorp. I don't know what these 2 are. Mystery chicks. Alright, guys. Cool. There we are. There we are. There you go. All right. So how many is that so far?
11.
All right, and there's one out already. He's, just halfway out. So that's 12, and yeah, there's lots more coming. Good.
And we need to wait until other hatch. James removed 5, I think. 5 chicks, and I removed 6 earlier.
A lot of new chickies. They look so.
They are all 16.
They're looking good.
Yeah. I have this one.
Guys, Karen made pizza bread. Oh, and it looks so good.
I put pepperoni at the top.
This is a surprise. I had no idea she was going to do this. Wow.
Your mom did this too?
Yeah.
Okay. What you're doing?
Poor little feller. He's not getting enough
What's
to eat.
that?
Hmm?
That's pizza.
Pizza bread?
Is it okay to them, the pizza?
I think so. You like pizza? Come on, Wilbur. You want some pizza? Come on, buddy. Yeah, he wants it. He wants it. Come on, buddy. You can do it. It's okay. Quick, quick, quick. Here you go. There you go. Some pizza for you. Yeah, pizza bread.
Allah.
It's good, huh? It's good. See, it's tasty. He likes it.
Yeah.
He's happy now.
Now.
Yeah. Right.
Maybe she.
Good job, Karen. Very tasty. Wilbur thinks so too.
All right, people. We are here in the mountain.
Hey guys. Hey people. Hey ladies and gentlemen. What else do you say?
So we are here in our rice field because we have workers harvesting our rice today, guys. I don't know. Maybe not here.
How do we get down there without falling?
I almost fell also. There.
When are they going to start the thresher?
They're gonna start later if they are done. They harvest it just half day or sometimes whole day. It depends.
When do they run the thresher? When they got it all cut?
Yeah.
They're going to cut it all first?
Yeah.
Okay. One process at a time. Interesting.
And even kids know how to harvest
Doesn't
Yeah.
Tatai do that part?
Tata is doing that too.
Which one?
But Tata is in Kaingin rice. He's
clearing still?
clearing.
Oh. Everybody has the job they're better at. Huh?
Yeah. We are share the rice with them. Instead of money, we give rice.
That's good.
It depends. If it's harvest good, that's a lot of rice, they got a lot too.
So it's an incentive to make sure you do it right, not
Yeah.
spill,
Yeah.
not shatter it.
Let's go over there. Let's go. What are those, B.O.?
Huh?
Come here, B. Come here, B. Come here, B. There's a lizard there.
What is that?
I saw a lizard.
Big one?
Lizard, a
Monitor?
iguana.
Oh, where?
There. Which one?
In there?
Yeah.
You're gonna cook it? Where is it?
There, oh. Is it frog? Come here. Faster. Which one?
An iguana?
Maybe. Here. Guys, we found something here.
Where did you see it?
Here.
We don't find that cobra.
Here.
that
You see
I
that?
saw last night.
You see that? There?
Where? Oh yeah. Is that an iguana?
Yeah.
Oh, they got it tied.
Here.
What about those little red monitor lizards?
Here, James, oh.
Alright.
Yeah, they finished already harvest that part thing.
How long does it take?
Few minutes only. They're
A
fast.
few minutes? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Where's Tatai? He's on the Kain? Or is that
Mm-mm.
Tatai up there?
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 workers.
You guys harvest the Kain differently. You use that little
Yeah, yeah.
It's a
Here
different-
is like
bundle.
they are using like different tools, which is
tool? Yeah.
long.
How sharp it is.
Yeah, it's sharp.
Interesting.
They are using different tools.
You want to go see what Tatai is doing?
Mm.
When will they start the thresher? That's always interesting.
Later, after,
Will they do that today or will they let it sit a day?
yeah, they will doing that today. The field is not very large. It takes a only few minutes. Look at that, guys. Oh, the damage already in that part. And it's good that they arrived because it's flooded already. And maybe later, guys, they will put treasure here and start the treasure because they are fast also, and they are a lot. Yeah.
Very steep. You know, I noticed carrying the camera doesn't often catch how steep these mountains are.
Yeah. It's steep.
But it's a lot steeper than it looks.
So there's a guy there, guys, that getting our coconut also. We have a lot of work today, even it's raining here, because coconut here is expensive now, and people here over there getting the coconut. Here they are, and then In this part, guys, is for the rice field also. People are rushing before the rain. So let's visit them. I feel sick today, guys. My voice is terrible. I got cold from my sister that have cold also, and the weather that is not good here. And look at them here, guys. They are collecting all the rice they got and preparing for the treasure. And we will get later on, guys, those compost from rice hulls, and we will put in sacks and bring in our property to make our tomatoes and other plants healthy. So here they are. Even kids here is helping their parents to get rice. And let's see and let's find out later how many sacks we harvested. Bugat nong. They said, guys, that it's heavy because it's wet. I bet also. Before, guys, we harvest also, and we got like 18 sacks of clean rice, but I don't know right now, guys, how much we got, since as you can see in our previous video that they are delayed, and as you can see that the rice was damaged and flooded. So I don't know if we got still the same amount as before, but I think this one is a little bit not good if you compare to the past. And those guys there, guys, is the one only harvest our rice because they are fast, and they are group. Because if my father, guys, he can do it also, but not really fast, because if you are harvesting rice, you need to use treasure for all of this, and the weather also, since last week is not really good. Oh. They're shouting, guys. They were shocked because a lot of coconut falling now. So as you can see, guys, the coconut is there. I don't wanna go there because it's dangerous when someone is at the top and they didn't notice you. People are going crazy because coconut now is 60 pesos per kilo already, I think. And people from town is going here in the mountain to buy more coconut. We have a lot of coconut, guys. My father planted it since I was a kid. Oh, wow, it's so heavy. My hat. And here in Aklan, guys, we are really good in planting coconut. Aklan is more on coconut. Iloilo is more on sugarcane and rice. Because here in Aklan, guys, we're using coconut for our foods. Most of our foods here use coconut. Oh, hello.
Another
Oh my
one.
god.
Is that Rhode Island Red or?
That is Rhode Island.
Is that the first one?
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
It's big Rhode Island.
Sure is.
Oh, she's welcome, buddy. Hey. Oops. Wait, me. It's big Rhode Island. This is Rhode Island, guys, because I put 0 in their shell. Hello. I will put iodine in your butt.
All right, Karen. They had the thresher going, but now it's stopped. Maybe because the material is wet. I know if you try to bale haylage and stuff like that, and it's overly wet, it'll lodge up, jam up sometimes.
My father got a broom to clean it.
A broom?
Yeah.
How's he gonna jam it with a broom? Put it through there? Huh?
I don't know. Let's see. Be careful, that
Sometimes when I'm baling hay and one corner of the baler gets jammed,
yeah.
I'll skip over to another windrow that's not wet and kind of work it over to that corner, and it all pulls through at once. That's why I thought maybe he was going to put the broom in there.
You want to help him? You want to help them?
No, I don't know what they're doing.
The rice is wet.
I know about New Holland hay balers. I don't know about thresher. A lot of rice.
The kids got the tools.
Oh, gotta take it apart because it's jammed in there.
You see those people there?
Collecting coconuts?
Yeah.
Are they going all the way up there?
They remove the peel, the coconut husk.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And go over there?
They bought 7 pesos per coconut.
7 pesos a coconut? That seems high. There's a lot of coconuts up there. Wow. 7 pesos when they're going to climb the tree and get it. It's a pretty good deal, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's expensive.
Yeah. Coconuts is food and fuel both.
They're getting only the old.
The blade is auto-rotating.
Like a windmill.
Yeah, it's windmilling. That's the correct term. Windmilling. Auto-rotating is what helicopters do when the engine quits.
Yeah. What if you use the machine of the thresher to rice mill? No?
You can't mill rice with that.
No, I mean the machine. Question said you can.
I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
Mm.
You can get the drone and fly it when they're running it. That'd be funny. I think only one piece of straw would be enough to knock it down though.
Ah, it's stuck. That's why they use broom. It's
Happens
stuck
all the time.
inside. Did you zoom in? Zoom.
Here.
Did you zoom in? Because it's stuck.
Yeah, the machines don't like wet material.
Yeah, but we don't have choice.
The hay bind doesn't like wet material. The hay baler doesn't like wet material.
They need to open it in order to fix. That is the common problem here. And how about in America, James?
Yeah, yeah. The hay balers, even the ones that are designed to take wet material, like silage, haylage will get jammed up a lot.
Yeah.
Sometimes they don't like coarse material, and the ones that like coarse material don't like soft material. It's just the way it is. There he goes, he's starting it up again.
Yeah.
Or maybe just pulling it through.
So let's. Wait. Wow! It's working!
Collect all that. The straw,
Yeah.
this is the compost. You need a compost bin.
Yeah, we will use that.
Yeah.
We will put in a sack.
That's the term. We should just make a bin and just layer it in the bin and let it break down.
Yeah.
That guy underneath has got a dangerous job there, keeping the rice flowing. The broom.
Let's go. We will collect that after. Huh?
Do the babui eat it?
No.
Because the babui in America will eat the straw.
We never tried.
It's still going.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jammed again.
The problem now is how we dry that.
There's gonna be a problem. Look at that. He's gonna kill it. Pressure again. light you up and suspend your fire. You do that back in the US.
The belt, James, is not
Belt is
tight.
slipping?
Yeah. I don't know if Tatay have extra belt. They remove it lang. People are busy here. People are all busy getting coconut.
Yeah. That's a tall one.
Yeah, that's dangerous though. It's slippery and there's algae.
He's coming down.
Yeah. Wanna go there? Sure.
Yeah.
The rice go with the holes, rice holes. That's why they are getting it. What if they'll just treasure tomorrow lang, no? They just treasure lang tomorrow, no?
I don't know.
The problem is when tomorrow, ano again, rain again tomorrow.
That's how it is when you're growing cereal grains, especially wheat, rye. Rain during the harvest seasons, very destructive.
Because the rice get heavy and go with the hose. People there got more coconut.
Very chilly in the province.
Do you think Philippines is hot?
Hamites in America. It's probably the same thing.
Yeah. But in upland rice, it's not.
I think it's because you need water in their life cycle.
Oh, it's raining now. So there's a rice that goes here, guys, because the thresher is not working very well. The thresher throw the rice here. No bueno.
What does Tata think about making compost out of this so we can start our plants?
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm.
You got a place where we can make a compost bin here?
Yeah.
We can. I think we can even throw the coconut hulls in, husks.
Mm. Some of the rice goes here.
Yeah, that's what happens when the crop is wet.
Yeah. It's not separating.
Yeah.
It's color brown.
Princess over there?
Yeah.
It's getting big.
Let's go to Princess. No bueno. I think this season we don't get enough rice
It's farming.
because of a lot of factors.
What if you
that
turn one of the lower rice fields into the tilapia pond or catfish pond?
you want?
Yeah.
I dreamt like that before.
How can we get native catfish fingerlings?
Yeah.
Can someone sell them?
Yeah. You can buy.
For sure that might be a good thing to raise some fish. But there's a lot of other places besides the rice field where you could raise them too.
Mm.
You know that that cold spring you showed us? Somewhere like that, where there's running water, or even just stagnant water, you can put nets in and grow them. Cages.
Yeah. Hello, maybe Princess stuck again there.
I'd say she's stuck.
I'll
She has
get
her
it.
stake right there.
I'll get it.
No, you might get hurt in there.
I'll get it.
I'll get her out. You stay here.
Hey, Princess.
Hi, Princess.
Our princess. What happened to your nose?
Poor girl.
There's no circle na. She will come back there later again, I think. Yee. She's tamed.
There you are. She's smart. She picked her foot up. She's used to this.
Yeah.
Picked her foot up so I could pull the rope out from under it. It's a good critter.
Your eyes, huh? Be careful.
Yeah, I know. My good sunglasses got broke because of someone sat on them.
Who?
I don't want to say.
Oh, she pooped. Oh my God.
Take a break.
Why you poop? Her teeth is really good.
Good girl. Sorry. There you go. That's a good girl.
Yeah.
That's a good girl and long.
Soon she will get pregnant na. That's our first Carabao, James and I, guys.
Need to get her a good cart now.
Yeah. We can
save money on gasoline.
We can- Yeah. Let's bring her there in Aranas. Princess, why you are there? You're stuck there.
Come on, girl.
People are there watching you, James.
Come on, baby.
Our workers watching you. The canoe getting the Carabao.
She's calm. She's trainable, man. She's a good critter. She's used to seeing me now.
I'll touch her first.
We got a trainer, guys. We're gonna make her a nice cart. So Karen cried and cried and cried when Tatai sold the sister of this one. It was Karen's pal. So when he was gonna sell this one, Karen wanted to buy it, so we did. It was only 50,000 peso, and she was just a calf at that time.
But she's okay.
Yeah, she's alright. She's not sociable, but she's not in a panic either.
Yeah.
If you had the rope in your hand, she'd heed you. Here.
Tatay always touching her
Yeah.
ear. Bye-bye. this is what they collected already. But not yet done because they are still removing the coconut husk. It's 7 pesos per, and they will count that together with my mother so that the mother will know
Cool.
and calculate, and then the owner of this land have money.
Yep. Cool. All right.
Right, guys, they are bringing home now the bringing home treasure because we are preparing, guys, to go to Aranas with a lot of happenings here in the mountain today, guys. James and I decided to stay here for a while it's raining, and later, guys, we will go to Aranas. And here we are again. James is here at the back of our house. What you are
Well, I'd like to
waiting?
bring our chickies to the Aranas property
Yeah,
now.
these are our chicks, guys, and I give them a medicine so that they won't get.
Yeah, they got wet and cold yesterday, and it's not good for them. So
And this baboy here wanna go out. Hey, you like the camera? Hey, hello to our viewers. They are both pregnant, guys. This is girls. They're pretty. That's why I wanna raise baboy.
yeah, we can go ahead and tell the contractor they can build us a pen like this.
Yeah.
Or we can build it ourselves. I don't care.
2 is enough for me.
Huh?
2 is enough.
Okay. Well, let's build one. We don't need the contractor to build that. We can build that ourselves.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's do it.
Hello. Chiki. Don't bite me.
We get a couple of females from East Karen.
Yeah. They are
Sister?
pregnant. Yeah, I'll
Buy a
buy.
couple off your sister, and then we'll
Yeah.
good. Put them in our pen. Good. All right. Let's go.
That's
You're right.
artificial. They
AI?
yeah.
What did they use for a sire?
Like there's a hose.
No. What kind of hog breed is the sire?
Maybe
Duroc
Duroc,
also, or
yeah.
another breed?
maybe a large white.
Oh, so they're breeding those to make meat. We don't really want a sow from the terminal cross. We
That
want,
is large white.
okay. Yeah, we want pure Duroc, so we can
Yeah.
cross our females to the Duroc. I mean the large white also.
Yeah.
So you need to shop around. You remember that Cleo we met when we were buying the battery?
Yeah.
He's got a hog farm in Banga. We should have talked to him, seen how much he wants for a Duroc.
Yeah.
A couple of Duroc piglets. All right, let's go.
My mother is cooking biko. Glutinous rice with coconut milk and sugar. Looks so tasty. You need to mix it very well, guys, so that the sugar will be well share. This is Filipinos delicacy. Nay, no? Filipinos delicacy.
Biko. Biko in Aklan.
This is how we make biko, guys. On the nine, no? It's already cooked, guys. That is for our workers also that harvest our rice. Tambok imong anwang pol
Buko.
Ada anwang of Uncle Edel.
Yeah, beautiful. Nice.
Whee! Those are the people, guys, that bought our coconut. It worth 3,000 plus
Wow.
the price, but the coconut is like 300.
That's good money.
A lot of saging. We need to harvest this too next time.
That's good news.
So we just arrived here, guys, in Oranas. House update again for our house. So sa mata. Hi, guys. So what they've done today, guys, is putting the walls again, but they put already there, and lanai, that is lanai. So what do you think, James?
Looks really good.
James,
The plumber, was he here today?
yeah, but the problem is the material is not enough things.
Pipe?
Yeah, like this,
You mean not enough fittings?
like this.
Which ones?
For the
Trap? Drain trap?
Yeah,
Okay, well, get some more.
yeah, because
Do they have
We
them
need
at
to,
Pastrana ton?
yeah, we need to buy like this and because
Another
we
trap?
have- Yeah,
Okay,
it is.
okay. All right, for that one, okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow is I get in a pastoral.
All right, good, good.
Foreman said James is we want put bar what it's called that ano tawag niyo? Ano tawag sa ano?
Sa-
Tama niyo mga
Bar?
bar section James. Yeah.
Bar section where put the
Here. Your collection your here. Here.
Bar.
Nah, leave it open, Tom.
Open.
I'm thinking leave it open. What do you want?
it's up to you.
Design na lang sa bayan. Daw din makaroon. May
Okay.
butangan kahit
Yeah, let's just let them
nun.
follow the plan, James.
It's gonna, you're not gonna have a lot of open space if you do it that way.
Sa kira mo na dahil.
It's only not
like this.
so the design of the house included that.
Change it.
Okay.
Huh?
It's up to you.
Di ba di karak may butang divider mo dahil kira dito.
Divider, James, will be put here. The divider,
Ano yung tawag ba?
like a cabinet
Oh.
for the glass, some of your utensils.
Kitchen utensils?
Yeah,
Do you want that?
like glass for preparation only, so that later on we don't need to pay them, the other workers,
For what?
for this here, because that is included here. This.
That's gonna leave an awful narrow gap here. You know what I'm saying?
But only here, James. This
Okay.
is the
Okay, go ahead. What are you gonna make it out of? Cement?
concrete. Yeah,
Concrete?
yeah.
Ano to rin ho? Makaramlay mo rin ho. Makaray mo ho. Kung may patungan di karaya. May patungan karat imungan. Makartaas mo na din ho. Makartaas.
And here, James.
Ang
From
karado,
here.
ano ho, butangan na, kung may ginapakobra ka nga, kabinet nga butangan dito nga, ay siya may butang na di ka, mga imnon kung kuha ka.
Like bottles, you can put the bottles there in that section.
Okay. All right, you really want that then? All right, do it. Do what she wants. 'Cause to me, I'd just leave it open. So,
Let's ask Roxy. Roxy, what do you think? What do you think of the house? Good? You want
she has the best dog house in the barangay. All the other dogs are very jealous.
So,
So,
Alright guys, this is our bedroom. We're going to get the windows and the door in here.
the door.
We're going to get the rough finish on the walls. And we're going to finish the CR and then we're going to move in. So, Karen wants a, what was it, a 400,000 peso wedding?
300.
300,000 peso wedding. So, we're going to just get the house to the point where we're comfortable living here. And then we're going to slow down the rest of it until we're done with the wedding, right, Karen?
Yeah.
And then we'll see how much money we have left for the rest of it.
That 300, that is maximum. Maybe we can save. Yeah.
Alright. Then we'll just gradually, as more funds become available, we'll finish the house out and put the swimming pool and all the rest of it. But the plan is to be moving in soon, and then we got to focus on our wedding.
Yeah. And our chickens, guys, we're going to bring here also.
We're going to bring the chickens here. We're going to consolidate all of our loose ends here, so it's a lot easier for us to manage everything.
Yeah.
Then we don't have to go up and down the mountain trail every single day.
Yeah, and we can focus to our animals.
And yeah, Karen's been planning, the family's been planning the wedding for May for a long time. So we're going to get the house so we can move in and the rest of the family can camp out in here when the wedding happens. And that's our plan.
Yeah.
So,
And as you can see, guys, at the back, it's more upgraded now.
it's coming together. We're getting walls and soon we'll have the doors and the windows and the rough finish.
Yeah.
All right. And CRs and furniture.
So I'm gonna tour you guys what they've done. As you can see, it's already like 80% of the house is done. And then this is our CR, guys. So tomorrow, James and I planning to go to Makato, to Wilcon, to canvas the bowl and then shower and tiles, guys, so that we can compute the money we will spend here in our house, and for our kitchen also, the sink and everything, so that we can start here now, right?
Yep. It's good for me. It's nice. It keeps the water out. It's nice and cool here too. So we'll get our little recording studio set up so we can do our live streams and our various podcasting efforts. It'll be more cozy than the mountain. So, all right, guys. Karen is getting number 23 out of the incubator.
23.
Oh, what kind is it? Another Brahma.
Brahma.
Wow.
And this one.
We got more pipped.
Ay, bilangguan ka.
Turn your light on. That one's about to pop out of the hatch
Look
too. Whoa.
Go
ahead, just a little. Go ahead.
Hala.
Go ahead. Hey, there he is.
Oh, this is really big.
It is. It's huge. Wow. Is that also a Brahma or is that a Rhode Island?
Rhode Island is very big.
The Rhode Island Reds you guys have here in the Philippines are really large chickens.
Yeah.
I'm not used to that. The ones we have in the U.S. are a little smaller than the other brown incubators. I mean, they're not really small, but they're smaller. Cool.
Hello. This is really big.
So that's 24 now? But we're going to hit 30 very easily.
This is
All right, good
23 and 24.
Good job, Karen. All right. Let's go look at the rest of the little guys.
I'll put first a medicine for their... I'll put first
A little betadine?
yeah,
Oh.
because I want them to be okay.
No. Use your finger and dab it. Otherwise, it's going to be too much.
That's not too much.
Like that. There you go. That's how I do it. That way they don't get a navel ill.
Okay, chicks, don't bully, ha? Don't bully your colleagues,
Like
ha?
There you go. That's good. That's good, Karen. You got it. You're looking good. All right. That really worked.
23.
That incubator was a good investment. I can't wait till we have our own breeding stock going. All right. There we go, Karen. Good job.